Hey guys, it's Lucas. This is my 4th ceiling fan drawing video, I think. And this is going to be about more Emperors and what they sold at Home Depot and Lowe's. And I drew what the boxes looked like, just for fun to show you guys. And anyways, let's begin. We'll start with Hampton Bay. Here is the Genoa. This is the first generation. They had 2 generations of the Genoa and the Marco Island. We're starting with the Genoa 1. I call them Genoa 1 and 2. And then Marco Island 1 and 2. Okay, this is the Genoa. I am not sure exactly what the prices were back then because I was not around the 80s. I was born in 2006. But yeah, here's the Genoa number 1 from 1987. Because Hampton Bay started in, I believe, 87. And there's the Hampton Bay logo. Here's the fan itself. And some of them had down rods and huggers. This is the down rod one. I actually have one, but it's the down rod one. Here are the blades. There's the cane one and the non-cane one. I drew wood grain just for fun. And then this is the decorator, Hampton Bay decorator. And I drew all these for $100. Yeah, this is the hugger one. Here are the blades, and it's also the Hampton Bay decorators are made by SMC. Oh, yeah. The Genoa number 1s, they're made by Aircool. And these are made by SMC because the look of the cane. There's the cane side, then the part without the cane. Then the Genoa 2 from 92. And I actually have this one too. And it has a down rod too. And I believe the Genoa 2s are made by Litex. There's the cane and the part without the cane. Alright. Now moving on to the Harbor Breeze side. The Harbor Breeze Marco Island, and I believe Harbor Breeze started in 1992. And the first generations of the Marco Island was made by SMC. It looks really similar to the decorator, the Hampton Bay decorator, except the brackets are different. And also made by SMC. Alright, here's the last one, Marco Island 2. It's just the same as the first generation, but this is the second generation, which is also made by Aircool. There's cane side, and it's a little bit different in the bottom. And anyways, that is about it. Thanks for watching.